In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your crypto exchange to trade live through Tradingview. Before we click anything, make sure you are using a supported exchange account that's fully verified and funded. That means your identity checks are complete. Your account is enabled for trading and you've deposited the assets you plan to use. Check which wallet your funds sit in, like spot or derivatives, so Tradingview can see the right balance. Also, have your login and two-factor authentication ready. You'll need both to approve the connection. Now, open Tradingview and pull up any chart you want to trade from. At the bottom of the screen, click the Trading Panel tab. This is the place where Tradingview lists supported brokers and exchanges. From the list, choose your exchange options like Binance. Bybit, OKX, and Kraken are commonly available. If your exchange offers multiple connections, select the one that matches how you plan to trade, such as spot or futures, so your orders route correctly. Click Connect. A secure pop-up will appear asking you to sign in and authorize access. This is an API-based connection that lets Tradingview read your balances and place trades on your behalf. Right from the chart. Only enter your credentials in the official window and double-check the URL and permissions before you approve. The connection won't share your private information in the chart. It simply enables Tradingview to execute orders and show account data safely. Next, complete your two-factor authentication. Enter your code from your authenticator or approved method to confirm it's really you. If a code doesn't work on the first try, make sure the device time is accurate and request a fresh code. Once 2FA is confirmed, Tradingview will finalize the link. You should now see your account status in the trading panel, along with your available balance. From here, you can trade directly on the chart. Open the order ticket. Choose your order type. Set quantity and confirm the symbol matches the market on your exchange. When you place an order, you'll see it plotted on the chart, along with any stops or targets you attach. Keep an eye on Cs, order size, and slippage, and consider testing a small trade first to confirm everything behaves as expected. If the connection drops or data looks stale, click the trading panel again and reconnect. That's it. Thanks for watching.